Hello everyone, this question is 2 to the power x plus 3 plus 2 to the power x plus 1 equal to 320. I find out what is the value of x. So first of all I can say here is 2 to the power x plus 1 plus 2. We know that 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 2 to the power x plus 1 equal to 320. Now we know that a to the power n times a to the power m equal to a to the power n plus m. I follow this formula in this line. Now I can say 2 to the power x plus 1 times 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power x plus 1 equal to, we know that 64 times 5 equal to 320. Now here is 2 to the power x plus 1 is common, so 2 to the power x plus 1, here is 2 square plus here is 1 equal to, we know that 64 is equal to 2 to the power 6 times 5. Now 2 to the power x plus 1 times 5 equal to 2 to the power 6 times 5. Here is 5 cancel, so I can say 2 to the power x plus 1 equal to 2 to the power 6. So according to exponential rules, we know that a to the power n equal to a to the power m. Here is base is same. This time I can say n equal to m. I follow this formula in this line. So this is base is same. So x plus 1 equal to 6. So I can say x equal to 6 minus 1 and x equal to 5. Now let's check x equal to 5. So here is 2 to the power x plus 3 plus 2 to the power x plus 1 equal to 320. So 2 to the power, we know that x equal to 5. So 5 plus 3 plus 2 to the power 5 plus 1 equal to 320. Now 2 to the power 8 plus 2 to the power 6 equal to 320. 2 to the power 8 equal to 256 plus 2 to the power 6 equal to 64 equal to 320. Now 256 plus 64 is equal to 320 equal to 320. So I can say easily x equal to 5 is the right answer in this exponential equation. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.